Hey everyone, Nerf Guy here. Today, one that I almost lost hope in. It's just been made available on the website. So here it is, the Nerf Rival Edge Jupiter. I was quite pleased with the Mercury and its target. Hope it's gonna be the same. Welcome to Tag. Yes, at last, the Nerf Rival Edge Jupiter. While Nerf make us wait for the two other blaster of the Edge series, looks like they finally bring it to Canada. Let's open the box, see what's inside. I'm gonna keep this view from the unboxing just because this thing is massive. A very bright green blaster, which, oh man, this look exactly like the box art. It looks amazing. Looks like they put the instruction and the round wrapped up with the blaster itself. Okay, this is a tight bag. The round, the 9 rival round and 10 to 1 over there. Whoa, this looks nice. Let's put that aside for now. The pieces. For the target itself, and this cool bipod. Pretty neat. Okay. That's really a huge one. Okay. For that round. So, in that box, you have the 4-piece for the target, the round, some instruction, and this cool blaster. Wow. Stock is not the most comfortable, but the top is like rubberized. That's neat. The bolt priming, a little hard at first, but let's give it a chance. This is cool. Let's assemble that target, that dinging target. This is going to be a real neat one. The other one was working almost flawlessly, so I really expect this one to be the same. So this one should go that way. This one should go that way. Good. Whew! That's quite loud. Rest assured you will know you will hit that target. That's cool. but it really, no, it's not the same, but it's almost the same target, almost the same size as the other one. That's pretty neat. Got a Rival lettering on it. But the blaster itself, nice thing. Priming is still quite hard. You feel you are pulling on a spring. This is harder than priming an Helios with the straight priming bolt on it. Safety, not ambidextrous. Handle looks like it is, but rail on top seems okay. Quality of assembly is maybe lacking a little. Some gapping between the parts are not regular. Like here, the rail starts flush with it, and here there's a gap, and here it starts more on that way and it end up more on this way. Like the two parts are not the same size. Weird. But the rubberized like grip texture, I'm sure this thing is gonna get very dirty very quick. Okay. Oh, stabilizing pod, and it go back up by itself when you press it. Neat. The D prime switch is here, at least I assume this is a D prime switch. Yeah, works nicely. Spring look what we're used to inside because we see it here. And top looks like a chrono spring or something similar. This is really like Jupiter / Reaper / any the new takedown. It's almost the same internal. It works. Those are Chronos base blaster. They work. This is really the form factor of this blaster that is appealing. The bolt priming action, like, it's quite nice. And the blaster is quite sizable, like a small hunting rifle with flip up sight here. Yeah, comfortable for the cheek too. Okay, with that bipod, will it hold better than some other attachment? Not really. It's quite loose on it. Maybe I will find a sweet spot. No, okay. It's a little loose, but it's okay. And I guess we could put that thing very straight like that. This is a neat blaster. That bipod, you can, yeah, push up the legs. Everything is adjustable. This is really a neat one. Even for show and tell, come on. With that stabilizing foot, but still, you see, it's stable, but because the bipod is wiggling, maybe I could shim that up so it's more tight. And this little foot here being a little wiggly, you see it shaking, but other than that, it's holding and it's pretty nice like that. Wow. And pretty sure that if I fold this up, it will just hold on the feet, the handle. Let's check it out. Almost. That would have been neat to have it just level like that. But still, bipod is cool. That little feet in the back, it's neat. To reload the blaster, I got 9 here. The other one is still in the box, so I'm trying not to put one in the barrel. I don't know, this This is not crooked, but I don't know, it doesn't go as easy as in my Chronos. I don't know. The alignment is like a little more tight here. Ah, okay, now it's better. It's because that part is not getting pulled back enough. Okay. Just a little thing. Cool. Seems standard. Let's check some maybe chrono on it. Remove that thing for the chrono. Yeah. Let's check the chrono on it. And then I'll go make a fire test and use that target. Just to help us. Okay. Already primed. 92. Oh man. 92.4. 91.5. Okay, it's holding. 90.8. 93.1. 91.8. 89.8. Under 90. And 89.2. I think I'm empty. Yeah. Okay, so for this thing, something like 90, like 91 average. For the first 9 shot I put through the chronograph. That's cool. They advertise 90 feet a second. It is doing its 90 feet a second, no problem. The first average I got from it is above that. The tripod. Cool. I might use it, or might not for the fire test, I'll see. But I want to use that thing in my hand because the feeling is just too good. I'll check if that sight is any good, but I doubt it on it. Let's go fire some round at that target and we'll be back for a final word on that Nerf Rival Edge Jupiter. As expected, I would say a little more than expected, this thing was a blast to use. The priming action was a little clunky at first, but it gets smoother and easier as much as you use it. This thing, click and place, feel pretty solid, but the quality and construction overall is maybe a little under from the other Rival blaster. I don't know. It feels a little cheaper, but it is a phenomenal blaster. In that Chronos-esque, Reaper-esque system inside, this is great. Is it a sniper rifle? Is it more precise? No, it is not more precise. than another rival blaster. The only difference between the Chronos and this one in precision will be the distance between your hand and the nozzle, which is further. Other than that, you have no advantage on it whatsoever. Like, this is really in the shape of a sniper. This is not more precise or more powerful. Maybe a little pricey, but it comes with a very neat target that was working very fine, as you've seen when you hit it, of course. This bipod, a little shaky, still well made. I was expecting maybe a little more because the handle with the flashlight and the red dot sight got some metal part in them, so maybe I was expecting that, and the attachment point is made from a different kind of plastic. But overall, everything is there. This is a neat addition to the spring-powered blaster, because normally you see Busby with dart blaster with a priming, bolt priming action like that. This one is neat. The shape is cool. This thing, I like that. When you put your cheek on it, it's comfortable. My only concern will be keeping it clean. This thing will get dirty if you play outside with it and you go and you're on the ground, or the blaster is left in the dust for some time. This thing will change color, or in the sun. This thing will hate sun, and I'm afraid it will end up like sticky, like a lot of tools over time. But we'll see how it lasts, how it's fetched over time. Trigger pull, sorry, a little heavier than regular, let's say regular Rival blaster, but lighter than what we had in the Mercury. The Mercury trigger pull was quite heavy in the Edge series. I was kind of afraid it would have been the same with this one, but no, it's not. Trigger pull is a little heavier, but you just feel it in your hand. And it's cool. It got like a hair trigger shape, but it's really a linear trigger. Other than that, stabilizing pod, in my opinion, pretty useless unless it's for show. If you just put it on a shelf somewhere for display. For the price, overall, a little expensive, but amazing blaster. The Nerf Rival Edge Mercury. Really like the shape of it. I really can't wait to modify this thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it, but yes, I want to modify one. I love this bolt priming action. I like the Apocalypse style, Fallout style bolt pistol. So maybe I'm gonna build myself a bolt priming pistol out of this one, or out of one of those. But for now, it's staying like that. Maybe it's gonna change color. That means removing that rubber from here, because it seemed really like just a rubber coating on top of hard plastic. Maybe we'll open it soon, see what's inside, but for now I got no urge for it. I got more modification coming. But the Rival Edge Jupiter, yeah, cool form. Just a shame that it took all that time for Hasbro to bring it over here, or for Walmart to bring it over here, because I know those are Walmart exclusive. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested and you are one of my fellow Canadians that are stuck without this blaster in their arsenal. This is a neat addition. If you like spring power blaster, this is a different feel, a different experience. It's really sniper-esque in the feeling, but keep in mind, it's not more powerful, not more precise. It's just a different shape. In the meantime, you can always follow me on Facebook and Instagram at @ThatOldNerfGuy. Please leave a like and comment. Subscribe for more content. This was Dave Fatag. See you next time. Bye.